Acha. Good morning to all and happy Ugadi to all. I am today at Dharwad railway station, new upgraded railway station on flyover bridge. This is newly constructed. Here it is. So thank you very much for your support. Already we crossed 1K subscriber. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding traveling, just go through my description box and you'll get every information. And here is a Dharwad railway station newly just now arriving Dadar Hubli Express. I am waiting for that. This is our railway station. Fourth platform side also station is rebuilding, reconstruction, and it is a new project. So here you can see that. And sorry for the commentary because I am not making any running commentary. Whatever information you want, you will get in description box or the scrolling. Sorry for that because some subscriber demanded for that. Don't make any comment, just shoot the video without any commentary. We want to hear the natural railway sound, that's why I am avoiding that. So please, sorry for that. Please subscribe to my channel. And also we are booking IRCTC and all type of travel booking we are conducting. So whatever any information or making any program or any group reservation or group traveling, you can consult to us. You will get all the contact link in the description box. Thank you.